Traveling in another country can sometimes feel stressful, especially when you cannot find your way, need help, feel confused, or suddenly need assistance in an unfamiliar place. Maybe you got lost, cannot find the restroom, missed your stop, need help understanding something, lost your phone, or suddenly feel sick while traveling. And when those situations happen, it's easy to panic. In this lesson, we'll focus on simple Korean expressions that can help you ask for help more confidently while traveling in Korea. Just practical expressions and realistic situations that can support you to navigate difficult or stressful moments more comfortably. And remember, you don't need to speak fluent Korean to get help. Sometimes one simple sentence, one key word, or even showing your phone is enough. Today is day 5, and we're focusing on asking for help, emergency expressions, finding important places, and handling stressful situations more calmly while traveling in Korea. Let's start with some important words and expressions. Emergency and help words. 화장실, restroom. 약국, pharmacy. 병원, hospital. 경찰, police. 구급차, ambulance. Key expressions. 도와주세요. Please help me. 도와주실 수 있어요? Can you help me? 길을 잃었어요. I'm lost. 영어 하세요? Do you speak English? 이해 못했어요. I didn't understand. 화장실 어디예요? Where is the restroom? 아파요. I'm sick. It hurts. 약국 어디예요? Where is the pharmacy? 병원 어디예요? Where is the hospital? 다시 말씀해 주세요. Please say it again. 적어 주세요. Please write it down. You do not need long explanations during stressful situations. Simple expressions are often enough. Now, let's turn these into possible travel situations. Finding the restroom. 화장실 어디예요? Where is the restroom? This is one of the most useful travel expressions in Korea. You can use it in cafes, restaurants, subway stations, shopping malls, and public buildings. Asking for help. 도와주세요. Please help me. 도와주실 수 있어요? Can you help me? 도와주세요 can sound more urgent. 도와주실 수 있어요? Sounds softer and more conversational. Both are useful depending on the situation. Saying you're lost. 길을 잃었어요. I'm lost. Even saying this alone can help people immediately understand your situation. Asking about English. 영어 하세요? Do you speak English? Many younger Koreans speak at least some English, especially in Seoul, tourist areas, stores, cafes, and transportation hubs. But don't worry if someone says no. People may still try to help by pointing, using gestures, typing on their phone, or showing maps. When you don't understand. 이해 못했어요. I didn't understand. 다시 말씀해 주세요. Please say it again. These expressions are extremely helpful when directions become confusing, conversations move too fast, or you feel overwhelmed. If it's too fast, 천천히 말씀해 주세요. Please speak slowly. 다시 말씀해 주세요. Please say it again. 적어 주세요. Please write it down. These expressions can help when directions feel overwhelming, conversations move too fast, or you cannot understand what someone said. Losing something. 휴대폰을 잃어버렸어요. I lost my phone. 지갑을 잃어버렸어요. I lost my wallet. Losing phones or wallets is one of the most common travel emergencies. Feeling sick. 머리가 아파요. My head hurts. 목이 아파요. My throat hurts. 배가 아파요. My stomach hurts. Finding important places. 약국 어디예요? Where is the pharmacy? 병원 어디예요? Where is the hospital? Pharmacies are very common in Korea and can often help with cold medicine, stomach problems, headaches, allergies, and basic travel needs. Emergency requests. 경찰 불러주세요. Please call the police. 구급차 불러주세요. Please call an ambulance. These expressions are for more serious situations when you need urgent help from people nearby. Hopefully, you will never need to use them, but it is always a good idea to check up-to-date emergency phone numbers before traveling to Korea. For example, in 2026, 119 is for ambulance and fire emergencies. 112 is for police emergencies. 1330 is General Korea Travel Helpline. Now, let's look at what people may say back to you, what you may hear as responses. When you ask, 화장실 어디예요? You might hear, 저기요, over there. 여기요. Right here. 왼쪽이에요. It's on the left. 오른쪽이에요. It's on the right. Watch where they point. Sometimes gestures help more than words. When you ask, 영어 하세요? You might hear 조금이요. A little. 네. Yes. 아니요. No. Even if someone says 조금이요, they may still be able to help you. When you say 길을 잃었어요, you might hear 어디 가세요? Where are you going? 지도 있어요? Do you have a map? Showing your phone or map can help a lot. Now let's put everything together into a realistic situation. Lost in the city. Imagine you're traveling in Korea and trying to get back to your hotel after visiting a busy shopping area. But suddenly, you realize you're lost. Your phone battery is low, and you're not sure where the subway station is. You walk up to someone nearby. 실례합니다. Excuse me. 길을 잃었어요. I'm lost. 영어 하세요? Do you speak English? 조금이요. A little. Asking for directions. 명동역 지하철역은 어디예요? Where is 명동 subway station? 저기요, 쭉 가세요. 사거리에서 오른쪽이에요. Over there, go straight. At the intersection, turn right. If it feels too fast. 이해 못했어요. I didn't understand. 다시 말씀해 주세요. Please say it again. 아, 네. 오른쪽이에요. Ah, okay. It's on the right. If you have an additional problem or need extra assistance, you can ask, 도와주실 수 있어요? Can you help me? 네, 뭐 도와드릴까요? Yes, what can I help you with? 휴대폰 충전할 수 있어요? Can I charge my phone? 네. Yes. Finding the restroom. 화장실 어디예요? Where is the restroom? 여기요. Right here. Feeling sick. 배가 아파요. My stomach hurts. 약국 어디예요? Where is the pharmacy? 저기요. 쭉 가세요. 그런데 병원 가야 하는 거 아니에요? Over there. Go straight. But don't you think you should go to the hospital? 아, 괜찮아요. I'm okay. 맞아요. 병원 가야 할 것 같아요. No, You're right. I think I should go to the hospital. 병원 어디예요? Where is the hospital? Useful travel tips. If you ever feel lost, confused, or stressed while traveling, try to communicate calmly and step by step. When people panic, they often speak too quickly, over-explain, or apologize repeatedly. But simple communication usually works better. Even one important phrase, one key word, a gesture, or showing your phone can already help people understand your situation. If you need help, don't be afraid to ask politely. Even simple communication can go a long way. And remember, communication matters more than perfection. Now let's review. You're lost. What do you say? 길을 잃었어요. You need help. What do you say? 도와주세요. You want to ask if someone speaks English. What do you say? 영어 하세요? You didn't understand. What do you say? 이해 못했어요. You need to find the restroom. What do you say? 화장실 어디예요? Someone speaks too fast. What do you say? 다시 말씀해 주세요. Great job today! Now you know some of the most useful Korean expressions for asking for help while traveling in Korea. Finding important places, asking for assistance, saying you're lost, handling confusing conversations, and navigating stressful situations more calmly. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to like and subscribe. And come hang out in Korean again soon.